Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the pip list command in detail. I will also discuss some of the different options that are available with the command. Command pip install installs a package or list of packages from a repository or from a local directory. Command pip uninstall uninstalls a package. Command pip list lists all installed packages. Command pip show displays information about a package, such as its name, version, description, and dependencies. Command pip check checks if all installed packages are up to date. Command pip debug starts pip in debug mode. Command pip help displays help information about pip. Command pip upgrade upgrades all installed packages to the latest version. Command pip version to new version pip install. Command pip install installs a package in editable mode. Command pip freeze displays a list of all installed packages, along with their versions, in a format that can be used to recreate the current installation.